Hey guys, welcome back. I'm going to talk about the Center-Drive Plus. It's a multi-tool from Gerber, and this item is awesome. And this is the Center-Drive Plus, and it comes with a leather case and a bit set. And the awesome thing about this, it's made in the USA. It's got the initials right there. You can see when you get this package, you can see the leather case in the back. And it's got a lot of features on this. There's two colors of this. You could get the silver or the black one. But this one's, I like this one. I like this color. And the good thing is you got swappable screwdrivers right here. You can take them off, the bits. This one comes with 14 tools, sliding jaws, spring-loaded pairs, and locking tools with the leather case. I mean, this good thing to have, like if you go anywhere, especially if you're a handyman, you don't have to run back to your tools and get the pliers or the screwdriver. You could just take this and carry it with you all the time. We're gonna open it up and see what it's got. So here we go. We got the two products here. It comes with this. So if you get the Center-Drive Plus, it comes with this leather case, and you can put this on your belt and carry with you. And it comes with the instructions. Here's the instructions. Here's the bits I was talking about. Take these off and see what's it, how many are they and what they have. Bear with me because I'm holding this with one hand, but so you can see it's got different styles of bits. These are the most common ones that people use. And you put that right here. See that? And I think you could take this off. See, you could take this off and you can attach it to it right there. And this is how you use a screwdriver. It's pretty neat. And you know what? It doesn't weigh a lot. I would say about like 2 pounds. It's kind of light too, but it's very it's made out of metal. And then it's got this the pliers. See this mechanism right here? So if you push it up, there you go. There's your pliers. And then you press this button down and you go back. It's pretty neat. Let's see what else does it got. Let me see how this flips over. Okay. Here's the scissors. I got the scissors ready. So this one cuts pretty nice. Look at this. See that? And this is paper, so if you need to cut a wire, this will work perfect with the scissors. Now you have this device. You can use it for anything. I think you could use this for a can opener. So you could open this with a can opener or a bottle opener. Or you could twist something. I mean, this is very handy. It's got like a little blade in the top and one in the bottom. That one's good. Let's go to the next one. Now we have this one. This one's like a little knife. Very useful to cut something or to cut like a little wire, something that's stuck. This is very handy. Look at that. Nice. Let's go to the next one. Here's the other one. This one you can use it to sharp like your knife or something, but it's nice. You can use it as a like if you want to shape a wood piece or something. See, this one's pretty nice, and it's pretty big too. In the grip, it's really handy. Okay, let's go to the next one. So this was a big one. So this is a knife. You could actually grab it nice in here. You could use this for your kitchen when you're gonna cut a lemon or something. Very handy if you're taking it to camping anywhere. See that? You can hold it right here with your thumb, and then it's got a good grip. And it comes with it's got a knife and nice jaws, and right there you could cut something like a thick wire. But this is handy to have. Now let's try the next one. So this was probably your best one that you have in there, including with the knife. But this one, you're probably gonna use this one daily. As you can see inside there's another bit in there attached to it. So you could actually take them off and use these bits right here. Put them on your little bag, and then put it in here. Look at that. You can unscrew. It's got a nice grip. So if you got a quick job you need to do, this one will do it. This is nice. And then you could change each of these. You got a large one, a small one, and once you're done, you could actually change it. You could swamp them quick. There's another one in there, right there. You just take it off and put the other one. And it attaches very fast. Look at this. Let's put it on the container, see how it looks. Now this fits perfect here. You got your bits here. As you can see, nice. It's got a nice pocket in there. And we're gonna put this in here. You actually wanna put it like this, going like this. So let's put it here and see how it comes out. Right there. See that? Fits perfect. Let's close it up. Look at that. Ready to go. Beautiful. I'll put a description where you can buy this. And this is from Gerber. And thank you for tuning in. And any questions, let me know. Thank you very much.